my money, calling me honey, whining my body, girl, you are up to something, up to something. I know you wanna ginger your body, silicone for Bobby, accent before ring, girl, you are up to something.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Hi, my name is zulaiyheart. If this is your first time seeing this face, hey, subscribe, join the family, okay? I'm back again with another transformation video. I can't thank you guys enough for the love you guys have been showing me on my last two videos. Like the last two transformation videos I did. In case if you have not seen it, it will be tagged, to be somewhere here. Like you guys have been so supportive and so nice, sending me, like, I really love your comments. You guys should make sure you comment. I always read your comments and reply you. Thank you so much. So guys, today I'm going to be transforming into Laila Tahri. She's a Muslim YouTuber, makeup artist. Recently, like I think some weeks ago, she liked my pictures on Instagram. Oh my god, I'll put the picture here, like a screenshot of it here that I took. I was so happy. I was like, oh my god, she saw me, like what? Like how, like I really like her. So when I saw her, she liked my pictures, I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So guys, today I'm just going to be transforming into one of her Instagram pictures. So basically she just has a black head scarf and a black turtleneck top with some shiny earrings. So I already got basically the outfit on. So now it's just for me to do the makeup and then we take the pictures. And I hope you guys like it. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram because I always post short videos, like IGTV videos of the makeup looks and pictures of the makeup looks I do. So first off, going in with the Juvia's Place concealer, I am Magic Concealer. I'm just going to be using that to prime my lids. And I'm going to be blending that out with my Zaron brush. Guys, I've had this brush for forever. This was like part of my first makeup brush that I ever had. So like I can't remember the name of this brush, but it blends, it does the job. So now I'm going in with my favorite Huda Beauty palette. I'm just going to go in with the purple shade on my eyelids just to blend out my crease. Just make sure that it's dark enough. I'm just going to be blending and blending and blending and blending. Doing the same for the other eyes. Ooh, yeah. So next, I'm going in with my Morphe 35D palette and using the pink shade. I'm just going to use that to blend my crease also, just to make it pop, just to make sure I look cute. So next, I'm just going in with the clear brush, just using that to blend both together. Now I'm going in with my P. Louise base in 0 white, I think. Just using that to cut my crease. Definitely, this is a method, guys. If you want to cut your crease and you have hooded eyes like I do, make sure you apply it on your lid, then raise your eyes up. It does the magic, trust me. Then repeating that same process for the second eyes. So going in again with the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to be using the shade Eden. I'm just going to be dabbing that on my lid, the middle of my lid. I'm going to do that. Ooh, it looks fine. So next, I'm going in with the same purple shade I used. I'm just going to use that to blend it out. And I'm going with the white shade from my Morphe palette, 35D. Just going to be using that for the inner corner of my eyes. Then taking a clean brush just to blend everything out. Yeah. So going in with this luster eyeliner, white eyeliner, I'm just going to be using that to line my eyelid. Guys, this is the first time I'm trying this, so like if you guys, this part took a long time. I just had to crop it. My hands were literally shaking, like I was so scared that I was going to mess up. Even though I did mess up, but it was not that bad. So first, I advise you to use like a flat end brush to apply it, like to get the line. Then you can go in with the liner again. So that came out nice. Then lashes on. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, who is that? Is that me? So next, I'm going with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm just going to be tapping it on my face. But I like this primer. Like, it instantly makes my face look very clear. Like I don't have pores. Like, it's really nice. And now I'm going with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm just going to be using that on my face. Blend, 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 blend. Blend. Blending is key, guys. Blending is key. Make sure you blend the foundation well. So now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place concealer again. I'm just going to be using that to contour my face, to conceal my face, sorry. It's going to be using an oval brush to blend that out. So now I'm going to set my face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Just going to be dabbing that over my face. So now I'm going with the Zaron face definer. As you guys know, I've been using this face definer for the longest time. I'm just going to be using that to contour my face. Like, yeah. Also using it for my nose to make my nose look cute. The Zaron face definer works for me. It's really good. So now using the Noi Black Beauty brush, just going to be using that to brush off all the excess setting powder on my face. I'm going with my essential glue kit. Guys, it broke! Oh! I feel so pained! Like, ah! But that's not going to stop me from glowing up, okay? Ooh, who's that? Give them, give them, give them, give them. So guys, I just use that. So I added a little bit of highlighter, gold glitter into inner corner of my eyes. And I went back in with both the purple and hidden shade from the Huda Beauty palette under my eyes, just to smoke out the under of my eyes. And then going in with my mascara. It's going to be, ooh, yeah, yeah, diva moment. Like, everybody hold on. Yes. So now lips. So for the lips, I just use the concealer, very light concealer, and my Fenty Beauty gloss bomb for my lips. Life hack, guys, it works. Then just set my face with the NYX setting spray, and voila. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below who you would like to see me transform into next. Until I see you guys next time, make sure you subscribe. Bye.